That's the fish. Look at that fin. No, look at that fin. Here, I got you. Look at this fin. Look at that fin, bro. Jennifer. We're on the right. It looks so weird looking at it like this. It does.
I think that's the spot. You saved the park, and I'll be able to fish in my favorite spot again. Well done.
We're gonna go on Supreme Stream right now. Well, for the second time. And then I'm gonna record, but I'm not gonna take my phone. I'll put it like in the cubby thing. And when I come down, you're gonna...
While riding, please remain seated, keeping your head back against the headrest.
No, my God! Get it. I can't. Tell someone to lift it up. See, wait, do you think you can lift the phone up? Because I'm trying to record ourselves. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Keeping your head back against the headrest at all times. Thank you, and enjoy your ride. Until the platform comes to a complete stop. Then follow the arrows to the exit. Thank you for riding, and enjoy the rest of your day.
That was fun. How do they do something like... Thank you. Ow, bro, these people are so nice. You can't see my head, but you can see my shirt. Magic.
And off to the left of the train, you can see Humberview.
Wow.